Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with American classic lechees. So you have heard about this fruit known as lychee, and they have kept it in this tin box. It's a tin box, and they have added a light syrup in this lychees, so enhancing the taste of it. Even the lychees are really sweet and very good in flavor, but added some syrups also. So over here they have mentioned the nutritional information about this can, like cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, fat and all. So this is written in Arabic, as this is sold in Arab country. And what ingredients? See, the ingredients is very simple: lychee, sugar and water. That's it. Very nice. From here on top you could see they have mentioned how you have to open this can. So first you need to pull this and then push it back. Very tight. My god. Oh, it's very difficult to open. It's not my cup of tea, I think. Camera person will be opening it. Seriously man, it's very tight, I told you. So let's see how we could open it. Yeah, nice trick. So guys, if it is quite difficult for you also to open this can, go with scissor or knife and you could do like this. Yeah, almost done. Nice. Wow. Now I'm gonna show you the lychees. So see how beautiful it is looking from top. This is a proper lychee and soaked in some sugar syrup, and they have taken off the seed as it contains seed inside. And beautiful lychees. Wow, it's looking like some rasgulla. It's an Indian sweet rasgulla, if you have ever tried. So let's try one. Very yum. I just loved it, man. The total taste of lychee is there, and sugar is enhancing the beauty of it. And sugar is not that much in it. It's very lesser sugar. It's like they have put some sugar water just to keep them fresh, refreshed, and that's it. One more I'm gonna try. If there is no season of lychee, go for American classic lychees. They are amazing. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you friends. Till then, bye bye.